Welcome to the operation guide for the S400A mobile ground power unit. Follow these steps for safe and efficient operation. Push down the lock and adjust the tow bar. Connect to the grid. When the grid is properly connected, the screen will display normally. Take the 400 hose plug from its storage box. Press the cable out button to extend the cable automatically. Connect to the aircraft. Yellow light on. Press the on button. Power supply begins, and the red indicator will stay on. To stop power output, press the off button. The red light will turn off. Disconnect the 400 plug. Press the cable in button for automatic retraction. Make sure you put the plug back into the box and organize the cable to prevent the cable from dragging and causing a safety incident. In an emergency, press the emergency stop button to immediately shut down the GPU. A flashing yellow light and buzzer indicate an equipment fault, and you can check the touchscreen for details. Thank you for watching. For more product info or technical support, get in touch with our team today.